Hey guys, so the next footage is Renee's Hill. It is a blue at AOAA that we went out and did with Offroad Consulting. Kimberly is driving the Jeep down Renee's Hill, and I am attempting to walk down backwards down a very steep hill, walking a dog and holding a camera at the same time. So the camera work is pretty poor, but anyway, you can see the trail, and you can see the Kimberly going down.
Oh, she's gonna drive it down?
Yeah. Well, that's what you do. You leave a woman in a car, and then like you watch all the cars like move forward, and at some point she'll get in and drive it. You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah. Nice.
Let's go this way.
Nice and easy. Just like that. You're good. Hold that line. Go passenger. Passenger. Right there. Yep, hold that. Now straighten it out. Right there. Passenger. Passenger. Other passenger. 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 Right there. Straighten it out.
Not helping. That's a good idea. It's okay, come on. Come on, walk.